Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Farah and thank you for clicking on my video. In this video, I will be showing you guys the technique that finally helped me learn how to rope twist my own hair. So I am going to demonstrate the technique using only my natural hair so that you can get an idea of what I'm going to do once I start adding the weave. So first I part my hair into two sections. Then I grab one of those sections and I start rolling it around my index finger. Then with my other hand, my other index and thumb, I grab the section that I just rolled, and then I'm going to twist it with the other section. So right now that's all I'm doing is making a full twist. Then once again I grab the section that was previously rolled and I start rolling and I twist. I roll before I twist. I think that is the technique that finally helped me to get the rope texture of a twist, is to roll one section before you twist it with the other. Alright, so now we're going to try it with some hair extension. First I add the hair gel to make sure everything is smoothed down. Then I comb through my hair and detangle everything. And now I am parting it into two sections where I'm going to add the hair extension right in between that section. So I make sure I grip everything at the root, and then I start rolling one section around my finger, just like before. I'm rolling it, making sure it's not too tight against my edges. Roll it, I roll it. Then with my other hand, I'm going to grab the section that I just rolled and I'm going to twist it with the other section. I bring it around and then I'm going to twist it once. And then I grab the section that I just rolled again and I roll it a second time and I twist. I roll and I twist. So that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I really hope I explained everything clearly, and after watching this video, you are one step closer to rope twisting your own hair. So if you did learn anything, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.